Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some traditional inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Traditional inspired home decor is a timeless interior design style inspired by classic European and vintage home designs. It focuses on elegance, comfort, symmetry, rich textures, and warm colors to create a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. Here are some traditional inspired home decor tips. Add layered lighting. Mix different lighting sources like candeliers, table lamps, wall sconces, floor lamps. Soft warm lighting makes traditional interiors feel welcoming. Decorate with elegant fabrics. Use rich fabrics such as velvet, cotton, linen, silk look curtains. Add floral prints, embroidered cushions, or patterned rugs for a classic traditional touch. Use symmetry in decorating. Traditional inspired looks balanced and organized. Try matching lamps on both sides. Two identical chairs, centered wall art, balanced furniture placement. This creates a polished and calm atmosphere. Add vintage accessories. Decorate with antique clocks, framed paintings, decorative mirrors, ceramic vases, brass candle holders. Small vintage details make their room feel timeless. Use rugs to make spaces cozy. Traditional homes often include Persian rugs, floral rugs, layered carpets. Rugs add warmth, texture, and elegance. Add curtains from ceiling to floor. Long flowing curtains instantly make rooms feel more luxurious and traditional. Keep the space comfortable. Traditional decor should feel lived in and welcoming, not too formal. Use soft cushions, cozy seating, and warm textures. Mix old and new carefully. You can combine modern comfort with traditional charm by adding modern lighting with classic furniture, neutral walls with antique decor, simple layouts with elegant accessories. Use crown molding and wall trim. Architectural details make traditional homes feel luxurious. Try crown molding, wainscoting, wall panels, decorative ceiling trim. These details instantly add classic charm. Decorate with books and vintage pages. Traditional homes often feel collected over time. Style shelves with old books, antique boxes, vintage clocks, ceramic bowls, candlesticks. Focus on comfortable seating. Traditional rooms are designed for conversation and comfort. Arrange sofas and chairs facing each other to create a cozy gathering space. Add elegant dining decor. For a traditional dining room, use a wooden dining table, add upholstered chairs, hang a candelier above the table. Use classic table runners and candles. Layer your decor. Traditional homes look rich because they use layers. Rugs over floors, curtains over blinds, cushions on sofas, straws on chairs. Layering creates depth and coziness. Keep the decor timeless. Instead of following short trends, choose pieces that will still look beautiful years later. Traditional style is all about lasting elegance. Use statement mirrors. Large framed mirrors make traditional spaces feel brighter and more elegant. Choose gold frames, wooden carved frames, vintage inspired mirrors. Place them above fireplaces, consoles, or dining buffets. Decorate around a focal point. Traditional rooms usually have a main feature such as fireplace, large window, candelier, artwork, grand bed headboard. Arrange furniture around that focal point for a balanced look. Add elegant table styling. Style coffee tables and side tables with stacked books, candles, small flower arrangements, decorative trays, ceramic vases. Keep the styling neat instead of overcrowded. Use upholstered furniture, soft upholstered chairs, carved sofas, and padded headboards add warmth and luxury to traditional interiors. Decorate with fresh flowers and greenery. Fresh flowers instantly make traditional homes feel lively and welcoming. Try roses, hydrangeas, lavender, eucalyptus branches. Place them in ceramic or vintage style vases. Create cozy reading corners. Traditional homes often include small relaxing spaces with armchairs, floor lamps, small side tables, bookshelves, soft drawers. Use decorative storage. Choose beautiful storage spaces like wooden cabinets, glass front hatches, wicker baskets, vintage trunks. This keeps the home organized while maintaining the traditional style. Keep a calm and elegant atmosphere. Traditional style is not about clutter. Use meaningful decor pieces and keep the room polished, cozy, and balanced. Use elegant curtains. Traditional homes often use full-length curtains with rich fabrics and soft folds. Try layered curtains with sheer panels, floral or damask patterns, tassel tie-backs, neutral or warm shades. Long curtains instantly make ceilings appear taller and rooms more elegant. Add a traditional coffee table centerpiece. Create a beautiful centerpiece using candles, fresh flowers, decorative trays, vintage books, ceramic bowls. Keep it simple but refined. Fill open shelves carefully. If you have open shelves, decorate them with matching dishes, vintage jars, small plants, antique decor. Avoid overcrowding to maintain a clean, traditional appearance. Use classic bedding layers. Traditional bedrooms feel luxurious because of layered bedding. Quilts, soft blankets, decorative pillows, tufted headboards. Use warm neutral tones for a cozy feeling. Decorate with antique-inspired lighting. Choose lighting fixtures with brass finishes, crystal details, lantern style, vintage-inspired lampshades. Warm lighting enhances the timeless atmosphere. Add texture with wallpaper. Traditional wallpaper styles include floral prints, damask designs, subtle stripes, vintage botanical prints. Wallpaper can make dining rooms, bedrooms, or hallways feel more elegant. Use wooden flooring or warm rugs. Traditional interiors look beautiful with hardwood floors, Persian rugs, vintage-style carpets, layered area rugs. These elements add warmth and character. Decorate the fireplace area. If you have a fireplace, style the mantel with framed artwork, candlesticks, mirrors, seasonal greenery, vintage clocks. The fireplace often becomes the heart of a traditional living room. Blend comfort with elegance. Traditional homes should feel beautiful but still comfortable for everyday living. Use soft fabrics and practical layouts instead of making spaces too formal. Add seasonal traditional touches. Traditional decor looks beautiful with seasonal styling. Autumn wreaths, winter candles, spring flowers, summer greenery. Changing small accessories keeps the home feeling fresh year-round. Bonus tip: traditional decor becomes even more beautiful when mixed with personal memories, handmade pieces, and family traditions. Thanks for watching the video.